So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the company profile of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. So once you're into the Yahoo Finance app, it's fairly straightforward. Go to the home screen, select a stock if you're choosing. So I'm just going to go to the most viewed stocks right here and just select a random one for this demonstration. So we'll go ahead here and just select Amazon.com, ticker symbol AMZN. Once you're here on the stock screen, just scroll down all the way to the bottom past key statistics, past set price alert, past conversations, latest news, etc. Keep scrolling past option prices. Now where it says company profile right here, you can now view the company profile. So Amazon.com, the sectors that it's in, the industry, the full-time employees, the description of the company. You can view more, if you want to as well. To view the entire Amazon profile, you can go ahead, view the key executives, the location, the description, a whole bunch of different stuff regarding the stock is in this Amazon, or I guess the stock profile screen. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to view the company profile of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.